Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save with Qualcomm shares, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by researching Qualcomm's current stock performance. Gather information about Qualcomm's recent news and market trends. Open a brokerage account if you don't have one already. Choose a platform that suits your investment style. Deposit funds into your brokerage account for purchasing shares. Set an investment budget and determine how many shares you want to buy. Use the research you've gathered to evaluate the right buying price. Monitor Qualcomm stock for any price dips or market shifts. Place a buy order for Qualcomm shares at your desired price. Consider setting a stop-loss order to manage your investments. Keep track of your investment regularly. Review Qualcomm's financial reports and market news periodically. Be prepared to adjust your investment strategy as needed. Stay informed about industry trends affecting Qualcomm. Consider reinvesting dividends to maximize growth. Evaluate your portfolio performance at least quarterly. Make long-term decisions based on thorough analysis. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.